Yeah, it's beautiful sunrise, guys. We outside early shit. Anyway, yeah, man, just clinking up. Oh, looking like something. Yeah, looking like something, man. Stay tuned, dog. It's going up. It's going up.
Yeah, yeah, run it up, yeah. Yeah.
My boy trying to get his groove on, y'all. Let's see what's going on in there. Put that mask on. We getting close to the scene of where the crime finna go down. We finna come snatch this track from these guys. This gonna be my second time. So the first time y'all see how I was in, you know, let's see if that speed picked up now. We gonna go do a little clipping from the last time to this time. Let's see if that speed went up a little bit, y'all. Anyway, we about to be able to get back with that.
You look like you still at the crib, bro.
That boy at the hen now.
But you look like you still at the crib, bro.
You see that camera peeking in there? Okay.
We about to pull up there now.
Covered in diamonds, flooded in BV. Step in my class, I might change up the season. So many ways, switch them up for no reason. So many hoes, I don't think that it's cheating. Got on my back, but don't tell them I'm eating. Got what this.
Yeah, I was gonna get one of these.
Okay. Okay. They got the flavors. Get dirty, might switch it up on y'all ass today for no reason. Yeah, you know, they ain't got that, man. You ain't gonna get that custom made by Kibo from this. I don't want it. Rain jacket. Stop playing. That guy already here.
Birthday, bro.
You did?
We out here today, boy.
That boy done beat us here.
Oh yeah.
Shit, we just chopping up with them, so they want to get on the vlogs and shit. They done pull them KTM and the KA side over here. They from Bama, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. Yes, we finna get out here. You see what's going on, new plastic, new sticks, you know. Crispy. Yeah, man, y'all see who back? Yes, y'all see who back on that shit? That boy, that Monty shit. That Monty shit. Hey, that boy crazy. That boy done pulled that shit straight off the lot on y'all leg. I see the baby twin over there. Stop playing. Yeah, they get the 140. You did 140, motherfucker. You know it gone.
Change up the season. So many ways, switch them up for no reason. So many hoes, I don't think that it's cheating. Got on my back, but don't tell them I'm eating. Got what this. Giving it on my slide. Got a Chanel on my eye. I'm put a deal on my side. I ain't telling no lie. No one to smoke, we gon' smoke it out. Run around, drum, ain't no photo now. Switch my plug, cause they holding out. You know they holding out. Nigga be cheat day. Get him on switchy. Gotta sleep with my eyes closed. But the nigga tryna get me. I'm around with the DB. Get shot for 2-3. Now you rockin' the granny. I'm hard like Stevie. Put around the TV. Stepping up like you know I'm rockin' them BB. Just around on me, I shoot her, you know I ain't leaving. I do this shit for my niggas that's no longer breathing. Captain body gang, bitch, don't do that. 20 shooter, pull up, push your crew back. Diamonds, Aquafina, I don't do that. When best coming in, bitch, we gon' move that. Run on back with me. I done fight on my team. She gon' home with me. Got a new Birkin B. Got it up out the street. Still gotta talk for me. Me with the rich supreme. Yeah, that with the beam. Yeah, that. What a bad walk. That was on top. These niggas fraud.
Woo! Let's see that YB45 guy over there. that big bitch about to pick straight up. What is it?
That's just 5 diamonds.
Oh, hell no.
That's just 5 diamonds. Like, so good
Why that Enduro Course, motherfucker? Boy,
You trying to kill him?
that shit ain't no hoe.
I know, bro. So I told him, I was like, bro, that shit 5 diamonds. I don't think you should do it.
I don't know what 5 diamonds we.
Nah, bro, that's like pro. That's like, yeah. I'm like, bro, don't go. Nah, bro, you see them diamonds? Every one a difficulty. It only go to 5 or 6, I think.
Bro, my dumb ass.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like I was telling Kevin, you been,
Yeah.
you know, I ain't no rookie to this shit now. I turn this bitch around if I can.
Oh yeah, bro, goddamn be with me.
I know these girls, so I'm taking my time.
That's why I said.
I'm getting money, RP.
What happened? Hit the front brake?
I need to take a breath. That's what happened. Ain't even did shit.
Oh, you didn't crash in the park?
No, I crashed.
Oh, shit.
I crashed, but I caught it right before I crashed.
Yeah.
I was able to smash on the brakes and all that, and I really slid up in here. Boom. This motherfucker, this bitch super responsible.
Yeah.
Every time that bitch hum.
Okay.
That bitch ready to do something.
By the street, you ain't really gon' shoot. Beat up the kids, I ain't tell them I'm telling my partners on hundreds and all of them blue. Alexander got it all on my shoe. Pretty shots, yellow trim with the blue. 20K threw it all on the boo. Hit the trap, put the shit in the news. Bitch, I'm back, going hit to the noon. Purple diamonds, got my chain by the two. Yellow mama looking like what you do. Lot of frames, I can see what you do. Dirty rats made this shit in the tube. Pussy niggas got them scared of my moves. Still on roll when I roll with the phone. Niggas on me, put it right on your nose. Where the bricks, we don't want nothing wrong. Second nicks, everything gotta go. I'm getting money, RP. That's what we know, like 20 short. She already brought me a 10 and I got it. Stay with the pussy, you got it for sure. Shaking me, hey, slamming on low. Still with the shit, ready to blow. 30.
People on that goddamn KX, motherfucker. You look real green. Come together. The all black you did. That shit real as hell in that corner.
Y'all want that top?
Yeah.
It's just a big ass jump.
That one.
That's why I tore all this off. I'm carrying that.
I believe it. Straight up. You feel me? That shit right there. Boo, boo, boo. That shit was lit. What?
We pretty fast.
Going in diamonds, putting it deep.
Yeah, yeah.
My guys,
Like
my
you're riding around there?
so many
Yeah, that's cool.
switch 'em
That's
up
cool.
on
Like
no
I'm just
reason, so
getting
many
hella
hoes
comfortable on my
in the
bike
chat.
now.
Got on my bed, but don't tell 'em I'm bleeding. Got with the schedule, I catch 'em as big. SRT right on the engine, I'm leaving. Bitch, with the money, little nigga, we greedy. Switch up the rolling, the AP, I'm free. Got her, I had her, no one to switch up on that bitch, you replacing me. Play on my plate, back to the tape, smoking this gas, back in the rain. Play on the loop, right back in this play. Got too many niggas, gotta chill with this thing. Step like this back, bitch, call me lit. AP the room, bitch, one on my wrist. I'm a bitch, bitch, run with me, bitch, run, bitch, run, bitch, run, bitch, run, like switch it up.
I keep on the 120 fever out here. You see it? Y'all see it? Oh shit! For the 125. The boy took that motherfucker out there. I was like, oh shit, he going out there with that bitch. That shit feel different.
Hell yeah.
Way different, huh?
Way different.
So you gotta fight for the power band, huh?
Fight for the power.
Gotta fight to stay in the power band with this.
Focus trying to go on that shit, bro. I'm forgetting to goddamn turn the shit in the air and shit, bro.
This is who I wanted to ride with, though.
You
I ain't gonna lie, so to keep me going.
Man. So I linked up with the guys from Bama, man, you
Roll
know.
tide up in this thing.
I know y'all did. Y'all spinning to the last
Roll
minute.
tide up in this thing.
Yes, sir.
Roll tide in this thing.
We gonna come
And the
get
Bulldogs in this thing for real,
You
baby.
did.
I know it.
Right.
We appreciate that,
Yeah,
homie.
we had a little unfortunate situations going on today, but you know, we still cranked them up and got it out here, so.
Made a day out of it anyway.
Exactly, man.
Kicking this shit like Miyagi. Niggas need this to keep that shit from around me. They don't keep talking, I know they gon' down me. That boy wet like a napkin from Bounty. Tone this shit down, why the fuck is you shouting? Got a new chain, but your diamond look cloudy. Still on the road, bitch, I'm still in the county. 2, 3 shits and some shots from the Audi. Fuck all you niggas who potted the out. Get you a baby, you can't live without. Let me stay every play every hour. 100 stacks up and they tall as a tower. Shoes on my feet, double C look like powder. 24K with the team of the hour. Plus we got money, then we got the power. Still in the mud, but we ducking them.